Welcome to Life Talks by Pao, where every chat is a step closer to understanding life's intricate tapestry. We aim to touch one soul at a time through the power of conversation and by sharing wisdom and life learnings to each other. Catch the episodes on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcast. Merry Christmas, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Life Talks by Pao. And yes, it's Christmas Day. And actually, alam mo, ang Christmas is one of my favorite seasons of the year. Just because just a general mood is so happy and festive, and a lot of family gatherings, Christmas parties, get together with friends, and also like gift giving. Sino ba naman may ayaw sa gift giving, and also pagbibigay ng gifts. But obviously, on the other side, ito rin yung time na medyo stressful sa labas kasi 'di ba, holiday traffic, holiday rush. A lot of people are going outside to eat out, to shop, and sobra yung traffic. But I think more than that, it's all worth it naman to pag nakakasama mo or nakaka-celebrate mo yung family members mo or friends sa Christmas. And sa mga regular employees, 'di ba, it's also the time when we get to receive our 13th month pay or Christmas bonus. So we have a little extra to spend. Um, masaya lang, no? And today's episode is very special considering that this would be the last episode of this season. So season 2 year ender ano tayo? Episode or finale, finale. Parang series. Pero yun, I just really wanted to do that, do this episode just to sort of like have a Christmas reflection. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you can relate. So what we're gonna talk about today is something close to our hearts. Um, and something na if you're gonna think about it, mapapaisip ka na parang oo nga no. It's a very nice experience to have those kinds of things na ma-realize natin na we are so blessed and we are so grateful about life. But just before we jump into the conversation, I just really wanted to say thank you, everyone. Since this will be the last episode of the season, this is more of like a thank you message for all of you guys, to those who have listened and also those who have watched the episodes for the entire year. Speaking of, as you know, a couple of weeks ago, every year end kasi 'di ba may Spotify Wrapped, and similar to podcast, meron din ganun. So, it's just amazing na our community has grown so much. Actually, for the year 2024, nag-grow tayo ng 187% from following perspective, and even the listening or the streams, the number of streams. Um, we've also reached 14 countries, and some of my video podcast became part of the top 20 video podcasts in Spotify. So YouTube din, nag-bloom tayo kahit paano. We have new followers there. The top episodes there have been reaching thousands of views. So thank you so much. And I guess aside from Spotify and YouTube, also TikTok. TikTok is also one of the, I would say, success story for the podcast channel this year. Who would have thought na a year ago when I started the podcast, we only have 300 followers there. And since nag-grow tayo to almost 13,000 followers to this date, and naka-build din tayo ng somehow community. Actually, may group chat nga eh. The group chat involves, my frequent listeners, which I call them classmates. And every time I do live stream, they also make some comments and give advices to other people. So, ang saya lang ng ganung community where we spread positivity, and we also heal each other through conversations, through the power of talking, and that means a lot. And I'm also surprised that there are some random people who sends me messages about how I've helped them, or how we've helped them somehow on what they're going through. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Maraming maraming salamat. So for today's episode, ano bang pag-uusapan natin? Actually, Wala naman akong sinet na topic and siguro makakaisip ako ng title for this podcast episode after natin makapagkwentuhan. Um, Alam nyo, since nabanggit ko yung Christmas is my favorite season of the year, it's also a very nice opportunity or way for us to do some reflections of how the year was for us. And I know, lalo na ngayon, magbabagong taon din, di ba? And there's a lot of people who's posting social media about what they've achieved so far, what they've accomplished, and minsan napo-frustrate tayo na bakit sila nagagawa nila yung mga ganung bagay or maybe nangyari sa akin parang hindi ako nag-grow this year, no? Yung mga naiisip natin. But to be honest, knowing that this year has been really a challenge for most of us, um, industry-wise or mapa-love life man yan, mapa-family challenges or family problems, academics, everything. This year has been is actually different. It's different, I would say. Um, I guess the main fact that you got through this year is really a good reason enough to celebrate and a good reason enough to say that you've made it through. This Christmas, with all of these things happening to us or that happened to us, iniisip natin na may perfect Christmas pa ba? May perfect Christmas pa ba? um, yeah, kasi ang dami nating plano sa buhay pero minsan hindi natutupad, no? So, but all of these things happen for a reason, and one way or another, it has taught us a good life lesson. Na sometimes we have to experience those hardships in life so we can appreciate the little things and the things that really matter to us, no? Sabi nga nila, 'di ba, pag we're so overwhelmed with a lot of things, ang daming pressure and all, nakakalimutan kasi natin yung mga ganung bagay. Ako personally, since we're gonna do some reflection here for the entire year, no. Um, it's already like at work. I would say I'm continuously blessed with a good team, and so far it has flourished. Um, I joined the company like February this year, so a little what like 10 months, 11 months, or yeah, 10 months. And so far I'm just really blessed. I feel blessed about what's happening there. I know it's not always a smooth sailing road, or it's not always easy for myself and for my team, but you know, if there's one thing that I can pick up from there, talagang nahahasa din talaga yung skills sa mga tao and also the bond that we have. So I'm really grateful about that. Not to brag or not to put ourselves into the pedestal. We've won awards naman somehow, and that's because of the hard work of the team. So word. Um, there are some unexpected blessings as well. Na parang feeling ko nga minsan may imposter syndrome ako eh. Like meaning na feeling ko minsan I question myself or I question my capabilities and skills, but somehow may mga nangyayari na or may mga nagiging rewards or recognition na nangyayari or nangyari na somehow validates that. Parang sabi ko, talaga ba? Deserve ko ba talaga yan? But you know what? I'm really just thankful overall, no? Um, so speaking of, those kind of things, alam ko mahirap mag-celebrate ng Pasko this time. Minsan kasi hinahanap natin yung perfect Christmas or how to celebrate a perfect Christmas. And to be honest, never naman talagang inangkin ng Pasko ang pagiging perpekto. So actually na-post ko yan sa TikTok ko. I was also reflecting earlier this morning about that. And it's, for most of us, we're looking for something that, sabi nga natin is, yung mga hinahanap natin sa buhay, kaya tayo na-frustrate, hinahanap natin yung wala. But I think the true essence of Christmas is really celebrating those and whether it's people or things or anything that actually stayed in our lives. So, with that said, it's really something na We need to be, parang beyond grateful about things. And I consider that as a huge blessing, and also being thankful and being grateful about everything. Sabi nga nila, 'di ba, ang taong grateful or ang taong mapagpasalamat ang nakakakita na totoong liwanag ng Pasko, or basically the sense of Christmas. It doesn't have to be perfect. I call it the perfect imperfect Christmas. And yung iba diyan, yung iba sa'tin, walang budget, minsan ano, struggling in terms of like mas nakakalungkot, doble lungkot kasi Pasko, 'di ba? Tapos medyo challenge tayo or medyo kapos tayo at this point. But you know what? The sense of just being with family, being with friends, celebrating it with them, and creating really nice memories. Those are, I would say that's a real spirit of Christmas. Yung self-worth natin, knowing our self-worth, term connections with other people, and also looking into the small things na we can consider as miracles as well. So it's a good reflection, no? Um, Speaking of reflection, since this is like sort of like a year-end wrap, no? A year ago, you guys probably, if you've been following my channel or my podcast, um, the family has been to ano ba, I would say like rock bottom ba? Yeah, yeah, I would say so. Parang kasi talagang na-challenge talaga yung family namin in terms of like health. Talagang masasabi talaga natin is ang totoong kayamanan ay ang ating kalusugan. Not me personally, but a member of the family, no. So, today I'm just really happy na nakakapag-celebrate ako ngayon ng Christmas with family and friends kasi just last year, I remember that hindi naman talaga kami nakapag-celebrate ng Christmas because nasa hospital kami. My mom was confined during that time kasi she had to undergo a huge surgery. Imagine December 24, 25, even until New Year, nasa loob kami ng hospital. Nasa hospital room lang kami. And wala talaga kaming nagawa doon but to just, let the day pass and um, pray na sana maging okay ang lahat. Um, it made me realize a lot of things. When that happened, nasasabi ko sa sarili ko na as soon as makalabas kami or maka-get out kami sa ganung situation, it's the big takeaway for me is really to spend more time to the people that matter to me, and at the same time create more memories with family and friends. Um, Na-realize ko noon na parang each time na magwe-wake up tayo sa umaga is actually an extension of our lives. Parang ano mo yun, binigay sa atin ng Diyos na okay, you have one more day and then you have to continue and you have to be grateful about things. So yun, I was, during that time I was really preparing a lot of things. I'm being so objective and being rational about what's going on and what's gonna happen or what might happen. And ayun, parang sabi ko, hinahanda ko yung sarili ko. I remember during that time na ang panalangin ko, my prayer was not about things to get better, but my prayer was for the family and for myself to be strong, um, to accept the things that we cannot change, and also to overcome those challenges, maging matatag kami. So yun ang pinanalangin ko. Hindi tipong I wanted things to be better. I wanted the situation to be better. But it's really more of like I prayed for wisdom and strength during that time. And I would say na naging okay naman ang lahat. So it has been a year now. So nauwi ko na yung mom ko from the US, and then now para we were given this opportunity and time to spend Christmas for a long time together na magkakasama ulit kami, to bond and to create memories. And yun, I'm just really grateful about that opportunity, no? So yun, ano pa ba ang puwede kong ikuwento sa inyo? Yeah, I think ano, this Christmas as well, lagi ko sinasabi, when I do live streams at TikTok and even my previous episode is always to focus on yourself, like prioritizing yourself, because again, that's not a selfish act because when you prioritize yourself, when you fulfill your own happiness, you're also in the position to give happiness, and that's true happiness that you give to other people. So why am I saying that? Because I think this Christmas, sorry, with all the pressures from work, from family, from everything, from life in general, we always think about na feeling natin ang Pasko ay para sa ibang tao or para magpasaya ng ibang tao. Kasi dito tayo naghahanda para sa ibang tao, tayo yung naghahanap ng regalo for them. Iniisip natin sila sa panahon na 'to. So, alam niyo 'yun, it's we thought na it's always about other people. But for me, Christmas is also about yourself. Um, Maybe it's also like, or maybe have you thought of like giving a gift for yourself this Christmas? Kung may ibibigay kang regalo sa sarili mo, ano 'yun? And I'm not just specific to tangible gift or like anything that you wanted to buy or you've been aiming to get, but really more of like for yourself, no? Minsan ako, personally, like parang sabi ko, this Christmas, I wanted to treat myself somehow with maybe just a nice meal or even just like have a reflection time, a me time where I can relax and do the things that would make me happy. So I think that's a really good gift for yourself. Yung understanding your own self-worth, no? The other thing na I really wanted to have a reflection on is more of like rekindling relationships and connections. Alam ko marami sa atin na when we talk about relationships, when we talk about connections with other people, and sometimes yung mga relationship natin with other people eh hindi okay at this point. I see Christmas as a good opportunity to reach out. As simple as greeting, a friend or a family member na Merry Christmas, kamusta ka? I think that's gonna go a long way. And don't get me wrong, there are some relationships na meron tayong conflict na hindi ko naman sinasabing i-push natin, right? But I think if kung bukal talaga sa kalooban natin ang mag-ayos, makipag-ayos, this is also a good opportunity to do that first step. And alam mo yon, it's it might be a small step, but it's actually big in terms of the impact to the relationships with others, no? So yeah, I mean, maybe start from there, no? And who knows, things would get better. Things would be different moving forward, and that simple act of reaching out will change your life, no? So, yun lang naman, wala na akong actually masabi. Kagagaling ko lang din sa isang Christmas dinner with my cousin, tsaka yung pamangkin ko. Tomorrow we'll be spending time with family, so I'll go to Batangas to spend time with family. Um, Wala naman masyadong special na gagawin, but really more of just like being together and be present. I think that's one thing as well, no? During these gatherings, hindi lang to about kung ano yung handa mo, kung ano yung regalo mo, but just being there, be present. Not physically, but the time that you give them, the undivided attention that you provide them, creating memories, laughters, um, good stuff. Those are the things na people would cherish forever. So, ikaw ano bang magiging agenda mo or activity mo this Christmas? I'm pretty sure there's a lot, but siguro just a reminder to always, make sure na mag-enjoy ka sa piling ng yung family and friends. Kung nasa work ka, it's okay. I mean, after work, there would still be time to spend Christmas with them. Kung nagbabakasyon ka, then enjoy your vacation as well. Kasi after all of these, this vacation and all of these long days of festivities, I'm pretty sure babalik tayo ng fully recharged and fully refreshed. So, yun lang. I guess the message here is that unang-una, when I say Merry Christmas, and I hope that you have a blissful Christmas this year, I truly mean that. Year 2024 has been a challenging one, but at the same time, I would consider this as well as my year of growth. Growth personally, I can clearly say that I found my calling and I found my passion. And since we're doing these things, it has become one of the purpose why I do things, and that is to also to help and also to um, inspire other people and to heal them. And again, I'm not perfect. I mean, everything is a continuous journey. I've met people along the way, not and with those experiences with these people, it's not always good. Sometimes nagkakaroon ng conflict, nagkakaroon ng um, mga hindi pagkakaintindihan, pero I think that's part of it eh. More than anything, hin- alam mo yun, na-challenge talaga ako and also natutong mapagkumbaba. And at the same time, accepting that that things or realizing things na akala mo kilala mo yung sarili mo but sometimes hindi pala because you get to discover a lot of things about yourself. So I pick up those learning. Sometimes it's not a good situation to be in, but I'm really grateful as well about what happened in this year. No, so I'm just really excited. I'm just really excited as well for the next year. I hope it's gonna be a more fruitful one, and at the same time maging mas blessed tayo so we can be more blessed to other people, or we can be a blessing to other people. That's what I mean. So yun lang. I hope you would continue to support me on this journey. Um, anong oras na ba? It's 11 o'clock p.m. So it's just 1 hour na lang, Christmas Day na. Natatandaan nyo ba nung mga bata tayo? Simple lang naman yung Christmas natin na parang we just really wanted like to receive the gift na a simple toy. Minsan nagpupunta tayo sa mga bahay ng mga family members para mamasko, 20 pesos lang, okay na. But this time around, it's a different feeling. Now that we've matured, the spirit of Christmas is all about love. It's all about hope. It's all about being grateful, and walang 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 makakapantay that you celebrate love, forgiveness, gratefulness, and these kinds of emotions and things. Wala makakapantay when you celebrate that with the people who matter to you, and that's your family and friends. So, once again, maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat. Um, Please know that you are in my prayers na sana this Christmas, you also get to time to reflect and also give more of yourself to other people para magkaroon tayo ng mas magandang memories with them. And at the same time, wag niyong kakalimutan to also think about yourself. Give yourself a break. Give yourself a nice Christmas present. It may not be a tangible thing, but something that would uh, give you peace and also give you the strength and also for you to be refreshed for the next year. So thank you so much if you've stayed on in this episode. Maraming salamat. This is a season ender or finale. So sa mga tumutok sa episodes until up to this episode, maraming salamat, and I'll catch you on TikTok live. we would still continue to do TikTok live from time to time. Oh, speaking of which, by the way, I just wanted to say thank you as well to Stages Talent. That's also one milestone in this podcast journey. Munti ko na makalimutan na I became a talent of Stages for for social media artists, and also sana mag-flourish yan for next year. Subukan nating gawan ng vision board on what I envision myself sa podcast journey natin, and sana mag-flourish pa further. Not for anything else, but really more to connect to other people, and to also to spread more positive vibes to everyone. So yun lang. Just want to say thank you again and Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you again on the next episode of Live Talks by Pao. Bye.